What are you doing, Mama?
Go. Raining. Where's your umbrella?
Here.
Okay, put up your umbrella.
But have a day.
You want to wear it?
No.
Okay, put up.
No, Mommy. It's not a day in your school.
I know, it's 100 days. We'll talk more about it at home. Come on, let's go. Go first. You don't know, over here. This way. Mom, we don't have an umbrella, so we gotta hurry.
Why you didn't bring your umbrella?
Well, it wasn't raining when I came here. Now that I'm waiting for you, it started raining, so we gotta walk fast to the car, okay? Daddy's at home, waiting for you. Over here, baby.
You get to go.
Over here. This way. Okay, watch your step. All right. Good job.